Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this over the toilet storage cabinet, but you can use it also with your washing machine, placing it on this side where your toilet can be, which I think that it's really nice. So let's go ahead and start opening it up and start assembling it. Okay, come on. Okay guys, the proper assembly process is actually really simple, and I think that it's great because all the parts come labeled so that way you know which is which, and the instruction manual it's really clear with all the steps on how to being assembled. And I think that it's also great because it comes with a anti-tip kit that you can place up on the wall and it will fall down. Okay, it has 3 adjustable shelf heights if you want them. The handles of the proper doors that will be opened are made of metal, and you have a removable paper place individually for it, which I think that it's really nice. And that way you can have all organized your space. As I've said, you can use it in your laundry room or in your bathroom if you need it, which I think that it's great. Either way you can have each space organized. It can be left-handed friendly, so you can organize all the space upon the right side or the left side however you need it, and I think that it looks amazing. You can get it with this white color or even with a dark gray that I think that will look amazing with both of the options that you choose. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already assembled up, and I think that it's really nice. It has a nice combination of colors, and the structure feels really solid, and I think that it's great because you get different spaces where you can place all your toiletry or anything that you need to storage it. As I've said, you can also place your washing machine in this space, which I think that it's really nice. And in here you get a storage unit that you can adjust. These different storage places can be adjusted depending of the stuff that you want to place in them. If you want them one little bit longer or anything like that, you can adjust it. And overall, it has a really nice space, and I think that it's really nice, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.